9/10 of education is encouragement. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in the pupil. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you land among the stars. Hello to you and welcome to this 8th training unit, Mathematics in Society of Module 3, Teaching and Learning Mathematics. For a student, it is not always easy to understand what mathematics is for, which is why, for the most part, they tend to repeat expressions such as, "What will I use trigonometry for in the future? The natural logarithm. Does that make money? Does it? Why calculate with negative numbers if I have no application for them in my profession later? Where can mathematics really be used for in society?" And so on. It is not just the preoccupation of students. Parents sometimes think the same way, especially when math scores are the worst on a report card. And in their daily activities, they feel they use very little of maths or no maths at all. All these due to the ignorance of the impact of mathematics in our society. Indeed, many students and parents are aware that a smartphone is an electronic product. Mobile applications like Unjust, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, TikTok are computer achievements. The Eneo company, which supplies energy to the household, operates in the field of electricity. Television is an important information media. The airplane pilot is an expert in aviation, and so on. But what they do not know is the close relationship that these different sciences, fields, activities, products, and applications have with mathematics. In this training unit, I will discuss with you the role of mathematics in society. In view of the culture and curiosity of mathematics teachers like you, it is clear that what will follow will not be unknown to you. And as we have already underlined during this training, it is what we know already that often prevents us from learning. Have you ever tried to find out what profession your students would like to do tomorrow? How many of these students want to do jobs related to mathematics? How much have you advised to target a specific profession because of the advantages it brings in terms of social position or income? Taking an interest in the dream career of your students, you can already determine which students need mathematics to make their dreams come true. And as a maths teacher, your role is to fit your students' minds with the maths knowledge needed to support them achieve these dreams. With information about your students' dreams and aspirations, you can easily guide them and use that information to motivate them to become more involved and engaged. It is therefore important for you as a mathematics teacher to be able to give details for each profession chosen by your students, the advantages of one choice over the other in terms of income, social position, and the needs of the Cameroonian society, and even internationally in the next 10 to 20 years. Nowadays, in the Cameroonian society, and even throughout the world, many pupils, students, or adults believe that they never use the knowledge they have received or they still receive in mathematics. This is regardless of the strong links established or created between mathematics and other sciences on the other hand, and between mathematics and many economic sectors in the other hand. This is why As a maths teacher, it is very important for you to carry out communication and awareness raising work, to be close to your students, their parents, your colleagues. In short, cut across the educational community to change this image of mathematics which has not evolved sufficiently. It is your duty to make your students discover all the attractions and assets of the world of mathematics and its application. Maths is everywhere. Without maths, no computers, no smartphones, no social networks like Angels, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and so on. No cars, no roads, no bridges, no skyscrapers, no medical imaging in hospitals, no information systems for companies, no planes for rapid long-distance travels, no satellite tracking systems, no cryptography for secure communication, no bank card for banknote vending machines, no robot like mixers, crushing machines, and so on. Math is being applied in all the above areas. Mathematics is so ubiquitous in our society today that it is difficult to find a field where mathematics does not intervene directly or indirectly. They follow, accompany, and sometimes precede current scientific and technological developments, which both draw on the results of the most recent contemporary fundamental research as they take advantage of discoveries accumulated in the past. Finally, the need for mathematics is growing with the acceleration of technological changes and creations. We cannot do without it. When we are faced with the need to develop, master, or analyze systems of increasing complexity. It is almost impossible to list all the traits and sectors that make use of mathematics in everyday life. Mathematics is omnipresent in the following different sectors and professions: education, research and development, artificial intelligence, aerospace, imaging, telecommunication, intelligent transport, medicine, meteorology, music, energy, health, pharmacy, banking and finance, insurance, sports, and so on. The teaching and learning of mathematics with regards to the contents of the training units of this module therefore requires the mastery of a number of parameters. Indeed, it is important for a mathematics teacher to take into account, when preparing a lesson, inputs relating not only to disciplinary scientific content, but also activities integrating ICT, the use of local equipment, taking into account learning theories, and making an effort to refer to epistemology and applications of mathematics, with the aim of preparing good lessons. Beyond preparing lessons, you need to know your students better, especially their aspirations and dreams, in order to better orient them towards future jobs related to mathematics. As you know, coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress. Working together is success. Don't forget to share your ideas and questions in the forum. You can also go to the TTP COP platform via the following link in order to discuss with the members of your cluster. Alone, we go faster, and together, we always go further. See you soon in the next training unit.